Hello, this is Viral Shah from Maven Infotech. Today I'll be discussing the case study of a recent project, PrestaShop. So the client is based out of Netherlands, and since we have an office in Netherlands as well, they contacted us and we gather some information. So they are selling the unique niche products for the tractor-related brands. They have a catalog which includes the clothing, caps, DVDs, metal plates, stickers, and many more. They have a different varieties, sizes, and color available, and they are quite quick for delivering their products. And they are into retail clothing business, and they have an online shop called Tractor Shop. So when they approached us, we found out, they were looking for a IT company who can, work with them and solve their problems because they wanted to upgrade their system, but there were a couple of issues, and we came to know that these were all the challenges they were facing. The first thing was the shop was very old. Uh, the version of the product was very old. The performance was also not very good. There were also complexity of upgrading the framework, technology, and lot many other stuff. The main thing was how do we upgrade the system by making sure we transfer all their existing data. A couple of them, their modules were also out of support, so you cannot use them anymore, or you cannot upgrade them. You don't get the support for those modules, and also there were a couple of responsive layout issues, and they wanted to implement some new features. They had a couple of new features in their bucket list. So what we did is, we started doing some proof of concept. We did a proof of concept for the data migration. Then how do we make sure, whatever existing data they have, we move to the new system. So we use couple of plugins. We use some, custom coding to make sure, the data can be transferred. And after doing the proof of concept, we were confident that okay, we can install the latest version of PrestaShop. We are using the framework for PrestaShop, and then we move the data. Then what we did is, we focus on those modules which were not working on correctly. So we removed, we did not use them actually, and we created a new modules to fulfill that requirement. We also looked into performance improvements related issues. For example, the caching, indexing, the file compression, and other things like using the CDN library and those kind of stuff. And then we fix user interface issues and responsive layout issues as well. And after that, we started taking the requirement for the new features. They wanted to have advanced search, changes into order invoicement, management system, implementing the Google Analytics, and a couple of other wishes with that. So this is how we succeed, and we launched that complete new shop after this. The technology it was using was PHP MySQL, the framework, as I said, PrestaShop, and it's deployed on AWS server. And if you look at their website now, this look pretty nice. You can see the very nice home page. Specifically, if you want to see the performance of the web shop, it's quite fast compared to the old version. Let's say if I drill down to the clothes, you can go to the clothes. For an example, let's say you want to pick jackets or maybe polos. You can see this all filters. Many of filters were not there in the system, but we added this because they had this wishes in their mind. And if you see, you can filter down to blue color, black color. You can filter by size. You can see how many are available or not available. You can also clear all the filter. So yeah, this is it. Happy to share this project and adding this case study for one of our client. Bye bye.